Hey, what's up, guys? It's PL. We are running the final mini for the Tier 1. Good Lord. Tops. Tier 1. Baby G has 1. Stump 2. Ryan has 2. Justin 1. Ronald 2. Do that. We're going to come over here. It's got to be a 4 or higher. Roll it again. Let's see. Big number. We're going to go 11 times, guys. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. Let me check the chat. Everybody okay? Everybody can see it okay? '11th and final time. Stump, Ryan, Justin, Baby G, Ronald, Ryan, Stump, and Ronald. Stump, Ryan, Justin, Baby G, Ronald, Ryan, Stump, Ronald. Okay, there it is, guys. 11 times. 11. Everybody saw it, right? Good, good. Let me go post it on Facebook. I'll be back.